Well, I've been cutting for a little while since I last talked to you, and I just broke the chain. Let's go throw a new one on. I'll show you all how it's done. First, you got to untangle this mess. Sometimes it's easy. Sometimes it's supposed to be easy. There. It's always that last loop that gets you. You gotta get her to that point. Pull it through. I was just thinking, I'm wearing my Rotobeck hoodie today, and it's been almost a year since I put my R6511 Rotobeck rotator on that harvester head. I haven't touched it since. It's been great, just grease. So let's set y'all right there and throw this chain on. So you take your bar, pull it down, put your chain on the chain catch, set the chain over the bar tip. Now what that does is, I'm not on the driver yet, but it gives me a little slack. Show you guys. So putting it on the driver when the bar is fully extended out of the slide here doesn't exactly work. Now with that, I can use the chain to force that bar back in. It's just a little easier. It's a little trick I learned a long time ago. And I set my chain on the rail on the top. Put the chain into, go too far back behind the driver. You gotta pull it out. It's kind of a pain. It's not terrible. Usually this goes really fast. There, now I'm on the driver. Run the chain down the rail all the way. Force the bar in the last little bit there. Likes to pop back out, you know. Roll the chain over the bar tip. New chains don't got no stretch, so they're a little more difficult. Now you're on. All good to go whack and stack.